Remember that time you tripped? It wasn't the fall that defined you, but how quickly you stood back up, dust brushing off your knees. Life's like a marathon, not a sprint. You hit the wall, your muscles burn, but every single step after that initial pain builds incredible strength. We all face moments when the doubt whispers, just quit. When the path ahead seems too steep, and giving up feels like the only option. Think of Thomas Edison, failing thousands of times to find a light bulb filament. Each failure wasn't a dead end. It was a discovery of why didn't work. So, what if that setback you're facing right now isn't an ending, but the universe's way of sharpening your resolve? I once saw a tiny sapling pushing through concrete, not by brute force, but by persistent, undeniable growth, day after day. Don't wait for motivation to strike. Let persistence be your fuel. Keep pushing, keep grinding even when you feel depleted. Take that first hard step today. Commit to showing up, even when it's uncomfortable, even when you'd rather not. Because your resilience, your unwavering grit, doesn't just build your dreams. It lights a path for someone else watching you. So stand tall, warrior. Let your grit be the hammer that forges your destiny.